This is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4. While many Bluetooth speakers often come small, the Kardon Onyx Studio 4 is large and full sounding with its powerful bass and is one of the cheaper Bluetooth speakers that you can find on the market. But with it being so large, is it worth getting? Is the size worth the sound? Or will you be better off going with something like, say, the JBL Extreme 2? Who exactly is this for, and what can you expect when you get it? Let's find out. Harman Kardon has truly perfected the designing process. All the Bluetooth speakers made by this famous manufacturer look incredibly elegant, and Onyx Studio 4 is the perfect example. This speaker comes in 3 colors, black, blue, and white. They all look very attractive. The whole front panel is covered with a fabric grille that protects the drivers. There's a simple Harman Kardon logo on the grille. You can use the speakers with or without the grille depending on your taste. The grille has a protective purpose, so you might want to leave it on, especially if you're going to be using the speaker outdoors. On the rear panel, you will see the carrying handle at the top, the bass reflex port in the middle, and input ports at the bottom. There are also 2 detachable feet that provide stability. It features 3 input ports, micro USB port for service purposes and firmware upgrade, an aux 3.5mm input, and a DC input. All the control buttons are on the top along the rim. There are 6 nice looking backlit buttons, Bluetooth Connect Plus button, volume buttons, hands-free button that you can use to answer phone calls and end calls, play pause the music, or activate Siri Google Now, and can't forget the power button. This thing is massive comparing it to just any other regular little Bluetooth speaker. It is massive and it weighs quite a bit. It weighs about around 5 to 8 pounds. It's a nice looking speaker. The backside of the speaker is just plastic though, and after that, nothing too crazy fancy about it. This looks very much the same as Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 3, except for the fact that no stereo pairing is actually a possibility with this new speaker. Aside from that, there are a few cosmetic changes in the speaker. The fabric on the front is a little bit different from the previous Onyx Studio 3, and the passive radio on the back is now black instead of silver. Also, the new Onyx Studio 4 has a connect button which should connect the speakers to many Harman Kardon and JBL speakers. The speaker is actually very nice for indoor use. It's not water resistant, but it has a very decent quality and could actually replace a stereo setup with the design and very nice sound quality. You've also got the phone button icon, which enables you to either answer a call or use this as a conference call-like device. A press of this button will bring up Siri or Google Assistant depending on how you've got it set up on the Harman Kardon app. The Bluetooth connectivity makes it super easy for you to connect with, be it streaming music or right from your phone. The Bluetooth is seamless. The Bluetooth version embedded within the speaker is 4.2. You can pick the perfect tunes and play without any hassle. The smart Bluetooth connection within the device allows you to connect 2 devices simultaneously. You can easily switch and swap between the 2 devices as you please. The Onyx Studio 4 comes with an average battery life, although it is comparatively less than most other competitors in the same price range. It can run up to 8 hours of functional playback. This device takes about 5 hours to fully charge though, and the overall battery life may differ depending upon the volume levels along with the musical content played, which can range anywhere between 6 and 7 hours. The circular Bluetooth speaker definitely packs a punch with delivering a surprising performance. The speakers are a bit curved, which provides them with an extra edge to spread the sound. This makes them capable of spreading through a wider angle and improves the projection of the sound. The lower end of the speaker is great, and the exceptional thump added to it makes it an absolute wonder. The bass offer on the sound is extremely powerful and has proper depth. You can readily and easily handle bass-heavy songs without any breaks or distortion. If you're a fan of bass at a higher volumes, then this is a good choice to consider. The bass combines with a crisp treble, which results in dynamic range of audios. The speaker might face some trouble while playing some high-pitched sounds, but the mids of the audio produced have proper accuracy and are precise with the instrumentation. The highs come with good clarity and steer beyond the performance of mids, which improves the overall sound. The overall quality of the speaker is balanced perfectly, which makes it capable of playing any type of audio. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker stands tall with its great audio performance and quality with the mids and highs. The speaker could have done better on the grounds of its large and heavy design, but I think this is a minimal con though. The speaker is perfect if you're looking for a speaker that suits better at home given its average battery life. Overall, an amazing speaker with great sound quality. If you're looking for a well-rounded sounding speaker that pumps out sufficient bass, has a great sound profile, but also looks the part in any environment, in any setting, in any room, then you should buy this one. However, if you're looking for a good, well-rounded speaker that you could maybe chuck in your backpack, take to your friends, take on a holiday, you could do it with the Onyx 4, but it's going to take up a lot of room in that suitcase, so maybe go with something like, say, the JBL Flip 6. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you learned anything, and maybe hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of reviews. If you want to learn a little bit more about another big speaker, but a little bit more portable, then why not check out this video on the JBL Extreme 3? Maybe you'll find something more for you there.